You can lose your money and make it back. You can lose your house and rebuild it. You can lose your body and train it again. But if you lose control of your mind, everything else starts collapsing with it. Imagine two men lose everything on the same day. Their business fails, their money disappears, and everyone around them says it is over. The first man tells himself, "My life is finished." He stops trying and starts blaming the world. His problem was not only that he lost everything, his problem was that his mind accepted defeat. The second man looks at the same situation and says, "I built it once, so I can build it again." He starts thinking, planning, learning, and moving. Slowly, he creates another opportunity. Same loss, same pain, different mind. Completely different future. That is why your greatest possession is not your money, your car, your house, or your body. It is the mind that helped you get those things in the first place. A strong mind can create money from nothing. It can turn rejection into direction. It can turn pain into hunger. But a damaged mindset can be surrounded by opportunities and still see no way forward. Everything begins in your head before it appears in your hands. First, you believe it. Then you work until other people can see it too. So protect your mind, train it, feed it knowledge. Stop allowing fear, doubt, and other people's opinions to live inside the most powerful part of you. Because when your mind is strong, losing everything does not mean your life is over. It only means you have to build again. Click the link in my bio because once you learn how to control your mind, there is almost nothing in life you cannot rebuild. You still haven't started that business because you're scared your cousin will see your first video with 7 likes and send it to the family group chat. You imagine your old classmates watching, your friends laughing, your family asking, "What are you doing with your life?" And suddenly their opinions feel more dangerous than staying broke. So you keep delaying it. You tell yourself you need a better idea, a better camera, more money, or more confidence. But deep down, you're just waiting until success is guaranteed before anyone sees you try. That's impossible. When you start, it will look small. Your first video might get no views. Your first product might make no sales. Someone might call you cringe and ask, "Who does he think he is?" But understand this, people only laugh while the results are missing. The moment it starts working, those same people will say they always knew you could do it. They'll ask for advice. They'll ask how much you make. Some of them will even copy you. Most people would rather stay broke for years than look embarrassed for a few months. They choose permanent regret just to avoid temporary judgment. So post the video, launch the product, start the business while everybody is watching. Because looking stupid at the beginning is the price of looking successful later. Click the link in my bio because your fear of what people might say should not cost you the life you could have built.